Hey everyone, we are back with Release Friday. Every Friday, we're going to be sharing our latest, greatest new product development, updates, and feature releases with you, our customers. My name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder here at Upkeep, and this week we've got a ton of new updates to share with you.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Natasha from the product team.
All right, the team has been hard at work in delivering some new features, product releases, which ultimately translates into more value to you, our customers. I'm excited to highlight some of our releases this last week. Our latest release actually gives you the ability for better planning and scheduling. We know that work orders can span and cross multiple days. And now on our web application, you can actually create a start date for all of your work orders. So again, you can get a start date, look at how long it's going to take. That may span multiple days for better planning, scheduling, and capacity planning for you and your team. On top of that, we also added the ability for you to upload signatures on web. So again, you can sign off on jobs and know that it was done and done correctly and get that signature on web. We've also made a lot of big improvements on the mobile applications. We've made a ton of big and small enhancements all across the mobile apps on iOS and Android. One of them really includes that I want to highlight here is the ability to have multiple line breaks and paragraphs on Android, so you can get richer text updates directly on your mobile device. So next up, I'm going to pass the baton over to Natasha here, who's going to showcase exactly how it works within Upkeep.
Okay, great. Thank you, Ryan. All right, so first we're going to take a look at that enhanced scheduling capacity with the creation of a new start date. So we're going to go ahead and drill into a work order. And I'm going to come into the edit section. So we now see the addition of a new start date. I'm going to go ahead and pick tomorrow. We can also edit the time here. I'm going to go ahead and add a due date as well. And we're going to say update work order. Okay, now if we come back to our main view, we see the start date has populated. We can sort by start dates. We also have the addition in our filtering section of all of the different dates. So just a nice, easy way to pair back to whatever work orders you want to focus on first. Okay, next we're going to take a look at the signature upload. So first part is, let's make sure we require a signature for this particular work order. So we're going to come into edit. We'll click on requires. We're going to update the work order. Now when we come in and change the status to complete, we see this modal, and I'm going to go ahead and select a file that I've got with my signature. And we'll go ahead and hit submit. And now we can also see down here, we have the ability to see that signature that's been uploaded, and you can just verify it like that. Okay, next we're going to take a look at our mobile enhancement. So we've got the mobile app up right now. I'm going to come into a work order, go to our activity section. I'm going to come in and enter a new comment. So I'm going to do one line break there. And you can see we can add as many as we want. So just a nice usability aspect, so you can break up your text or how you're showing information to make things a little bit easier to read or capture. And that's going to wrap us up for today.
All right, very cool updates, Natasha, and thank you to the entire Upkeep team for working so hard. We've got new releases, new product updates coming every 2 weeks. I'm excited to share this last week's product releases, really cool updates from better scheduling, better planning, better mobile enhancements, and also the ability to upload and sign off on signature on web. So really, really cool updates. Expect to see more coming every 2 weeks. Thank you to all of our Upkeep customers. We're not slowing down. I'll see you next Friday. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks for joining us.